Debbie Philman. I'm Public Health Director for Green River District Health Department. We have 7 counties, and then we have home visiting staff too. So we have clinics in 7 counties, but we also have staff that are doing a variety of things, maybe community education or, like I said, home visiting. So they're busy and they're out there and they're not all in one spot that we can always say, this is what you need to do. So we have to have those tools, and having a web-based mechanism really helps to get that training done. And then what we found recently, there was a training that we thought, well, this might be something that certain people need to have. And we did a search, and lo and behold, it was already there on train. And so that was really nice to be able to it was already there. It was easy to say to staff that needed that, you know, go on train, it's this course number. And in a matter of just really less than a day, we had it figured out. I think a real key there is that monitoring the progress for all the trainings, because like I said, it's a tool now where our HR manager can just pull that up. And when you have, you know, almost 200 employees, it's not always easy to monitor every person and every training they've had and what they need and who's missing it and where the gaps are. This is so much easier than what it's been in the past to be able to do that. And you know, accreditation, it's more documentation than I ever imagined. So if you imagine it, think more, double it. So anything you can do that makes that an easier process, I'd say grab onto it right away.